Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have seen how we can remove the each child have a unique value warning with the help of this index value. And here we have an array. But if we do not have an array and we have an object, so how we can pass a uniquely identified value to this map that we can use, or how we can remove this index value of array because it's 0 1 2 3 4 5 some other unique value we want to specify in place of index. So what we can do here, I just convert this property to first of all an object, and here I say that it is id first of all, and I say the id value is 1, maybe anything we can put. Then I say line is info, then it should be like this, and we just do like this. In similar way I can do this also, id 2, then info, then java, then object. Last one here, id 8, info. So like this we have object. Remember, now this is a unique key and we may give this key any value. We can give any uniquely identified database value, anything we can assign here. Just for example I am giving 1 2 3 4 5. Now because it's an object, so we will have the information here. I just remove it from here, no index value is required, and here I say info.id, and here I say, and I can change the name to language, then I say lang.id, and here I say lang.info. You see, same is there, same type of values are there, but here in place of index value of array we have specified the value. See, same output we have, but here we specify the id. This is the unique id which we want to assign to this list, and if I want to show this information I can show here also, just to give you an overview to check it like this, and I just do this, and you see we having the 1 2 3 4 5 6 index value also. So this value we have, and I remove this from here, no need right now. And remember that with the help of this, to converting this array into an object value, and with each and every value of this we put this a unique identification value also, and that value we can pass here in the key. And remember, if I remove this key, if I cut it, save it, I remove this, no problem at all, but if I inspect this code again I have the same error. Unique key props means each child in a list should have a uniquely key for your property. Why this error? Because if we are not assigning a unique key to each and every item of a list, then each and every time React will render the whole list when you do any modification in this list. So to avoid it, to make your code run faster, we have to put here a key, and this key is a default value in this map. We can use it here. With the help of this list is automatically linked with a unique item, and you see no error. If I refresh it, I will not have any error here right now. So this is the optimum way to render a list with a particular key value. So in this video we learn that how we can render a list with a key value in React. That's all in this video. If you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.